trust you have biodata. I'm curious to see what you've brought us.
I haven't been this tired in ages.
Just one good night's sleep. At this stage, that's all I want.
No matter what I do, I just can't get a solid 6. I should probably go now.
Yeah, see you later.
Vista thanks you for your contribution. You're here to help us further our research, I assume? Our researchers always welcome fresh data. Vista thanks you for your contribution. I hope you have some organic data. I'm curious to see what you've brought us. Thank you for your contribution to our research.